Morning guys, how is everybody? Day number 2. It is 9:35 on Wednesday the 30th of September. So, just dropped the kids at school. Now I need to, I need to nip to Tesco. We'll get them something for the lunches because they finish early today. Wednesdays, half day finish. Why? Shopping bag, face mask. Right, let's go in and get the kids something. Mask on. Yeah. Kids have requested pot noodles. Monster Munch. You can't beat Monster Munch, can you? And when I came in, pot noodles, club crab, contactless. Yeah, that was the shopping done. Let's crack on. Shopping done. So what's the plan for the rest of the day? Well, I was going to take a walk around the local reservoir just to go for a mooch around here. The local reservoir, which is where I am now. However, slight problem, as you can see, the weather isn't brilliant. So, these are my boots. Good boots, not bad. What make the Gellert. Not bad boots. On the whole, they actually look alright. On the sole, they're actually wrecked. As you can tell, that was from the Azores. When I went to the Azores, the ground is basically volcanic rock, so it's that rocky. It trashed the soles of my boots. And the weather today, as you can see, ain't brilliant. So I think before I go pondering round and getting full of puddles, I need to go and get some new boots, don't I? So, back to the van. And let's head either Oldham or Ashton, not quite decided yet. Either way, it's the first time I've been in town since March. So I don't know what to expect. I have no idea what the social distancing is going to be like. Hopefully, everything will be fine. was good that we found a parking spot. Don't usually get one here. Best bit about parking here, 30 minutes free. Push the button and we get a free ticket. 30 minutes. So we've got 30 minutes to find some shoes. Ignore all the crap in the glove box. Let's go. Better safe than sorry. Right, let's go get some shoes. Well, this here used to be the swimming pool. Not anymore. Not sure what they're doing with it now, but they built a new one down there. Bearing in mind that that one was only about 20-year-old. Oldham Council, money to burn. Yeah. Right, Sports Direct. Let's see what we can find. Not holding any promises, but it's probably the best place around to get stuff. Walking boots. So these are like the ones I've got. And they're actually really comfy, but the soles are crap. Which is a shame really, because the tops are alright. These actually look a bit tougher. This is all the walking boot section. This is what we need. There you go. What do you reckon, guys? Carrymore Hot Rock. Should be 85 quid. Now 43. Not bad, is it? I'm thinking Hot Rock. I'm going to try a size. Pair. I'm going to try a pair. I'm going to try a pair. Size 10s. Well, I think we've got a winner, guys. Carrymore Hot Rocks. 43 quid. Need to get the other one now. Get the tag taken off. See? Nice and easy. Right. Let's go check out. 10 minutes, job done. And it says 2 for £10. Does it mean 2 shoes or two pairs of shoes? There we go. Sports Direct. Boot, yup. Picked up a couple of pairs of socks as well. Right. Grab a cup of coffee, back to the van. Awesome. Oh, we go to Greg's, but it's full of students. Let's have a cost through instead.
Hello, thanks for waiting.
That's right, mate. Yeah, can I have a medium mocha, please?
Medium mocha?
Yes, please. No, I'll take it out. No, it's that.
Staying in. Lacking any sugars or sweetness, mate?
No, it's alright, thanks.
How you doing, pal? You alright?
Yeah, I'm on you.
Yeah, good.
Awesome.
Definitely. You've done the track feeling awesome. Got coffee on tap. Got great people to be in the
There you go. You see what more do you need? You've been having double shots, haven't you?
Yeah. What are you up to today then?
Mooching about.
Nothing much standing about.
Yeah. Waiting for the kids to finish school.
You have it sprinkled on top, aren't you?
Yeah, you can do, yeah.
The mocha is made in the chocolate. You got it?
Yeah. Awesome.
Thank you very much,
Cheers,
mate.
pal. Thanks a lot. Have a good day. See you. Medium mocha, £3.10. Yeah, not a bad price. Right, let's crack on. Back to the van. Right, so that's town done with. Back to the van, chill out, enjoy my coffee. I'll pick the kids up. Looks like the bounty hunters are out, as my dad used to say. Right. Right, that's town done with. Gotta say my feet are getting wet as well. Couldn't come at a better time. Now that is a good cup of coffee. Just waiting for this lady to finish parking up and see how much room she gives me to get out. in case you haven't noticed, there's a few cars waiting to get in. Yeah, in a minute, yeah. Am I going, sir? Yes, I am. Don't know where though. Piece of cake, piece of cake. Get out, no problem. I don't know what's going on over there. It's like they're out in force a bit, doesn't it? Ah. I wonder what's going on over there. No idea. Probably never will. Never mind. Must be some debate over something. Right. Time to try on the new shoes, I think. You can't beat a new pair of shoes, can you? You know, there's actually only one thing better than a new pair of shoes. That's a new pair of socks. Can't beat that feeling. Right, let's have a look at these bad boys. I hope they haven't given me two rights. Let's have a look. Size 10 right. Size 10 left. Awesome. And I think I'm going to have a new pair of socks. Why not? Because these are wet. So they have been good boots and they were comfy, but to be fair, they didn't last very long. I'd had them about 3 months when that happened. So yeah, look at the state of that, man. Terrible, but really soft sole, really soft. Whereas these are a lot more harder, as you can tell. Should be able to get plenty of walking done in these, which is good because next week, or this weekend, which is good because this weekend I plan on going out in the van. Not been out in it properly for a while. So, oh, love that feeling. Honestly, new socks, something amazing about new socks. Yeah, this weekend I actually think I'm going up to Gordale Scar, I think, round that way. Keep saying I'm going to get up there, and I've not been up there. Now, these I do feel a slight tad tight, but newness, isn't it? I can't have fasten my laces. Well, you know what I'm doing? What a tit. Awesome. There we go. There's the old, there's the new. They should look slightly bigger, don't they? And the laces are better as well, because if you notice, these wrap all the way around, which I never really liked. They always used to come undone. I've been walking for a while. So, there we go. Out with the oldie. And then a socky. And a new socky on. Oh, heaven. Absolute heaven. I can go and splash in puddles again. Tell you what I've noticed with these as well, actually, a bit weird. We've got this little tongue thing there. See it? I don't know if it's supposed to be down or up for pulling the boots on. Leave a comment, let me know what you think. I've got a funny feeling it's meant to be up, pulling them on. And not down for extra heel support. I don't know. Could be wrong. I'm going to leave it up anyway. I think, if I can. There we go. Absolutely amazing. There we go. Get rid of the tags. Oh. There we go. All sorted. All sorted. New shoes. Right, let's go and christen them. I'll tell you what, they feel slippy on these steps. Stone steps. Right, we need a puddle now, don't we, to jump on. Anyway, we'll christen my new boots. I'm going to say, thanks for watching. I'm enjoying the coffee while I wait for my kids. I'll see you tomorrow. Yeah, as you can tell, I don't like going in town much. I'm not a big town fan. I find it bloody annoying. It's full of people just sat around doing coffee all. Not my kind of thing. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you tomorrow. Adios, skis. What do you say, Mr. Duck? You going to say goodbye? Yeah? I know. I think some clackers. Alright, see you later. Adios, skis.